Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is CTET Social Science. These are previous year's exam and most important objective questions and answers of child pedagogy. So friends, without wasting time, let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is, which of the following is are part of classroom? Friends, four options are given here. We have to choose only one option. So let's revise the first option. Heterogeneous group of learners, that is A. B is physically disabled learners, C is blackboard, and D is all of the above. Friends, here option D is the right answer, that is all of the above. All of the above यानी कि heterogeneous group of learners, physically disabled learners and blackboard. These are part of a classroom. Question number 2 is, which of the following is not classroom process? So entertainment is not a classroom process. Consider the following statements A and B and choose the correct answer. Statement A is, physical punishment can be given as a reinforcement in teaching learning process. Statement B is, tough level questioning can be used to manage the class. Codes 1. A is true, B is false. Code 2. Only A is true. Code 3. Both A and B are true. And code 4. A is false and B is true. Friends, here option code 3 is the right answer, that is both A and B are true. Consider the following. Question number 4 is, consider the following A and B and choose the correct answer. Statement A is, socio-cultural and economic environment of learners influence classroom process. B is, personality and ability of an individual teacher does not influence classroom process. Codes are A is true, B is false. Second code is, both A and B are true. Third code is, A is false, B A is false, B is true. And third is fourth, both A and B are false. Friends, here code 1 is the right answer, that is A is true, B is false. Question number 5 is, which among the following is incorrectly matched? Friends, 1 is टीचर सेंटर्ड अप्रोच, इसमें क्या होता है, टीचर्स सिग्निफिकेंट रोल. सेकंड इज कंटेंट सेंटर अप्रोच में क्या होता है, एम्फेसिस ऑन लर्नर्स ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट. एंड थर्ड इज टीचर्स डोमिनेंट अप्रोच, दैट इज एम्फेसिस ऑन लर्नर्स ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट. एंड फोर्थ इज ऑल आर करेक्टली मैच्ड. फ्रेंड्स, हियर ऑप्शन 3 इज द राइट आंसर, दैट इज इनकरेक्टली मैच्ड हियर, दैट इज टीचर डोमिनेंट अप्रोच में क्या होता है, एम्फेसिस ऑन लर्नर्स ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट. ये जो है गलत है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. इनकरेक्टली मैच कौन सा है, ये वाला है. टीचर्स अप्रोच में एम्फेसिस जो है लर्नर्स के ऊपर कि लर्नर्स की डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर एम्फेसिस नहीं दिया जाता, दैट इज बाय इट इज द राइट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग एंड चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. लर्नर्स प्रीवियस नॉलेज, मूवीज, एजुकेशनल टूर. एंड डी इज here, consider the following and choose the correct answer. Friends, learners previous knowledge, movies, educational tour. Which of the above is our teaching aid? Friends, option 1 is only A, option 2 is B and C, option 3 is A and C, and option 4 is all of the above. Friends, here option 3 is the right answer, that is A and C. Learners previous knowledge और सी क्या है, एजुकेशनल टूर. दिस इज द राइट ऑप्शन हेयर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस मेक सोशल साइंस लेसन्स. क्या बनाते हैं वो, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं मेक सोशल साइंस लेसन्स जॉयफुल, दैट इज बाय ऑप्शन 1 इज द राइट आंसर हेयर. जॉयफुल बनाते हैं वो उसको, ठीक है. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which of the following will promote a social learning of rules, regulations and values? First option is project, second is group discussions, third is book reading, and fourth one is writing essays. So friends, which of the following will promote a social learning of rules, regulations and values? That is group discussion. So option 2 is the right answer. Which one of the following methods is most suitable for teaching of geography at the upper primary level? This is most important question. So friends, option 1 is storytelling, second is debate, third one is discussion, and fourth one is field visit. Friends, let's revise the question once again. Which one of the following methods is most suitable for teaching of geography at the upper primary level? That is discussion method. Option 3 is the right answer. ठीक है. Question number 10. A social science teacher must imply with the following methods of being effective. First one is increase engagement of students by thought provoking and interesting activities. Second is increase the knowledge of students by taking tests on every Monday. Third is award grades in lax manner to boost the confidence of slow learners. Fourth one is assign projects to be done at home so as to involve parents in the studies of their wards. Friends, here option 1 is the right answer, that is increase engagement of students by thought provoking and interesting activities. Question number 10 जो है एक बार फिर से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. ए सोशल साइंस टीचर मस्ट इम्प्लाई विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड्स फॉर बीइंग इफेक्टिव. कौन सा तरीका वो अपनाए ताकि वो जो है अच्छे से जो है इफेक्टिव हो क्लास में. So option 1 is the right answer, that is increase engagement of students by thought provoking and interesting activities. Let's move to next question, that is question number 11. The question answers technique can be quite effective in teaching social science and as it ensures. Option 1 is students ability to respond better in examination. Students come into class well prepared. And third one is a more disciplined class, and fourth one is an active participation by learners. Let's repeat the question. The question answer technique can be quite effective in teaching social science as it ensures an effective participation by learners. That is why option 4 is the right answer. Question number 12. Cultural, social and class differences generate their own biases and prejudices in the contexts of classrooms. The approach to teaching therefore need to be, first is lecture method, second is project method oriented, and third is discussion method, and fourth is open ended. Friends, here option 3 is the right answer, that is discussion method. Let's repeat the question. Cultural, social and class differences generate their own biases and prejudices in the contexts of classrooms. The approach of teaching therefore need to be discussion method. Okay, option 3 is the right answer. While teaching poverty, which strategy would be most appropriate? First is engage students in debate and discussion. Once again repeat the question. While teaching poverty, which strategy would be most appropriate? That is engage students in debate and discussion. Second is ask students to read from the difficult words. Third is prepare notes and deliver a good lecture. Fourth is give handouts to students and explain. Friends, here option 1 is the right answer, that is engage students in debate and discussion. While teaching poverty, which strategy would be most appropriate? That is engage students in debate and discussion. Question number 14 is doing activities with children will be effective only if. Doing activities with children will be effective only if. Here the right answer is option 3, that is she believes that activity based education will help the child in understanding the concepts. Let's repeat the question. Doing activities with children will be effective only if. The right option is she believes that activity based education will help the child in understanding the concepts. Question number 15 is which of the following should not be a part of social science instructional process? I repeat the question. Which of the following should not be a part of social science instructional process? Option 1 is dictation of facts, second is feedback mechanism, third is implementation, and fourth one is planning. Friends, here option 1 is the right answer, that is dictation of facts. Which development facilitated that debates and discussions about social custom and practices on a wider scale during the 19th century. Which development facilitated that debates and discussions about social customs and practices on a wider scale during the 19th century? Option 1 is theatre, second is movies, third is radio, and fourth one is magazine. Friends, here option 4 is the right answer, that is magazines. So magazines development facilitated that debates and discussions about social custom and practices on a wider scale during the 19th century. जो मैगजीन्स हैं यही हमें बताती हैं. उसके बाद थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, प्लीज़ press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thanks friends, bye bye.